In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad using Flekstore. This method is simple, beginner friendly, and lets you install apps without dealing with a computer or complicated signing tools. And all of this is without jailbreak. So you're probably wondering, what is Flekstore? Flekstore is essentially a sideloading platform that lets you install apps and games outside of the App Store. You can install your own IPA files, access a library of apps, and manage everything directly from your iDevice. It's designed to make sideloading easier for users who just don't want to deal with certificates, complicated signing tools, or constant troubleshooting. It has an app library with hundreds of apps available to download, I think over 1400 plus, an app signer that allows you to install any IPA file that you guys want, live container support as well, and even supports the latest iOS. So to get Flekstore, it is quite simple. All you really need to do is go to this website here. I will leave a link in the description down below, so make sure you guys use my link. And basically what you guys have to do is just click on get here, and then it'll lead you to this page here where it gives you some instructions on what to do. So you guys are going to make sure first that you guys are in Safari, and then you guys are going to click on the share button. And once you guys click on the share button, you're going to scroll all the way down until you guys see add to home screen. So add that, and obviously you guys can change the name, whatever, it doesn't really make a difference. Click add. And as you guys can see, Flekstore is now on your iOS device. It's that simple. So now if you guys open up Flekstore, you guys may get one or two prompts asking for allowing notifications. I would recommend allowing for notifications as you get notified of any new releases or updates. And so what we need to do now is just to make sure everything is running, we have to go to device here. And what we need to do is we need to essentially just add our device. So you guys are gonna click on add device here, and then it'll say Flekstore is trying to download a configuration profile. Click allow. And now you guys just have to go back to your settings app. In your settings, you're going to go to general, scroll down until you guys see VPN and device management. And then you guys will see UDID for flekstore.com. So just click on that here, click on install, enter in your passcode, and click on install. And you guys will get a success pop-up. So now if we go back into Flekstore, as you guys can see, my iPhone with my UDID is in fact there, and everything is working. If you guys haven't imported a certificate, or if you guys haven't bought a certificate from Flekstore, then you guys will see an X on certificate and also an X on premium if you guys haven't bought premium. So just keep that in mind. And on the note of that, there is a paid side to this ecosystem. Flekstore says users can purchase a working developer certificate directly from the service with recovery guarantees, and it also advertises 2 months of additional premium features for users who purchase a certificate. So as you guys can see, I have a certificate already from Flekstore here, and also you guys can get premium. And basically with premium, it is essentially just 2 times faster file uploading and app signing. You guys can also install duplicates, apps from third-party sources, the ability to download the .ipa app files, and also it is for supporting the Flekstore developers. So I would highly recommend that you guys either buy a certificate since they do have recovery guarantees, or you guys get premium access, in which case you guys can download IPA app files and apps from third-party sources. If that doesn't work, there are also 2 other options. You can import your own certificate and P12 file and import it directly into Flekstore, or you guys can also use your own developer account. And if you do put in your own developer account, the Flekstore server will register the devices to the account themselves, perform all of the necessary certificate settings, and the user will be able to install apps from the catalog, use the signer, or simply download an already configured certificate. Anyways, now I'm going to be showing you guys how some of the features work. So if you guys go into apps here, you guys can see a bunch of different apps here. So you guys have emulators, you guys have jailbreak tools, and you guys have just a bunch of other tools as well that you guys can download. And so to actually download this, what you have to do is just click on any app. For this video, I'll be showing you guys the old OS app here. So if I click on this over here and then click on sign app, it'll say signing here. And then you get a pop-up saying flekstore.com would like to install old OS. Click install. And as you guys can see on your home screen, it is in fact waiting and it is installing right now. And once it has installed, you can just open it up here, and you guys do not even need to do any untrusted developer enterprise trusting, which I really like as well, since you don't have to go into settings and constantly keep trusting the certificate and restarting your app. And as you guys can see, the old OS app does work just like it is intended to. Now, if we just go back into Flekstore again, we can also go to sources here, and you guys can add your own sources, kind of like AltStore. And with this, you can just import it right over here. And so to add the actual sources, just click on the plus icon here, and you guys can paste your source URL. And they also support alt sources. And to download apps from the sources, it is essentially the same thing. Just click on the source and then scroll down. And for me, for example, I will download the ActiveGS iOS app here. So you guys can just click on sign app here. But also it gives you a little pop-up saying live containers required to install apps. So what we can do is first sign this app here and then click on install, and it will load through this here. Or what you guys can do is actually use live container, which I recommend in case there are any sort of revokes, but they do have revoke protection. But just in case, I would highly recommend also installing live containers. If you click on get here for live container and click on sign app, you essentially have a live container specifically for Flekstore. So if I go back to my home screen here, you guys can see live container here. So if I click on that, you guys can see as I opened it up, it says Flekstore certificate has been successfully imported, and it tells you the subscription status as well if you guys bought a subscription. And now if you guys click on browse, you guys can see all the apps that are also in the Flekstore library here. And if I click on Flekstore library here at the top and click on the little arrow underneath, you guys can see all of your other sources as well. And to basically get any of these apps here, again, just click on the get button here, and then you guys will see that it will pop up. And now you guys can just click on run and click on open in live container. And now if you guys open up live container, it will load up. The last thing that I want to cover, guys, is the signer. So if you guys go into signer here, you guys can select an IPA file or even a link as well, which is 5 times faster than file uploading. But for this video, I'm just going to be doing a file since it is a bit easier, and the maximum file size is 3,500 megabytes, which is a ridiculous amount already. Most IPAs just don't have that much, so you guys can be certain that any IPA file that you do download will be downloaded. So if I click on select IPA file here and then click on choose file, I can just locate my IPA file. For this video, I'll just be doing the old OS IPA file here. So if I click on that here, it'll download, and now you guys can see the old OS is in fact here. And if you guys click on customize, you guys can do a bunch of stuff. So you guys can change the app icon, the app name, inject any tweaks, and remove the mobile provision. And all we really need to do now is just click sign app. But just do note that if you guys go into apps and click on any app as well, you guys can change the exact same things even in the Flekstore library just by clicking on the settings icon right next to sign app here. But I wouldn't really recommend doing this unless you guys know what you're doing. And you guys can also duplicate the app as well and download the IPA for it. Anyways, if I go back to signer and click on sign app right over here, it'll start to sign, and just give it some time. And it has started to sign. And if you just give it some time here, you guys will see that flekstore.com would like to install old OS. Click install. You guys can see that old OS has been downloaded. And essentially that is just a short summary of all the things that Flekstore can do. There are a bunch of things you guys can do. You guys have access to an extensive app library, a signer, multiple sources that you guys can download. It is essentially the all-in-one side loading tool. Overall, if you guys are looking for an easy way to install IPA files on your iPhone or iPad, Flekstore is definitely worth checking out. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe. Make sure to check out Flekstore in the description down below using my link, and thanks for watching.